Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see love in the general for the sign of Libra. So watch this video if you're a Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one. So I was just trying to wrap the session today, and then Michelle just requested the Libra reading on my last upload. That's the Aquarius one. So I was like, yeah, let's just make this video before I go. So let's read Libra messages for week ahead. So if this resonates, let me know in the comments, and if it do not, then this is not your reading. All right, if you want to have a personal reading, link in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, link is in the description. So let's see messages for Libra for week ahead. Give me the present energy for Libra, please. Oh wow, Chariot, where are you rushing towards, Libra? Some of you might be dealing with a Cancer, or I see that you're just in a very rush kind of energy. Some of you want to move abroad, so you're waiting for a good news related to your travel plans. And for others of you, I just see that you're very determined to make something happen in life. Some of you, it could be career situation. You want to level up from your current position. You want a new opportunity. You are looking for an upgrade. You're looking for a hike. And when it comes to love also, I see that you're very determined. You're very determined to go and get something. So you are basically taking control in your own hand, and you're just trying to calm your inner beast. All right, I don't see that you're very emotional right now. I see you're more logical. So you're trying to be your Libra self. You're being very, very logical. You're using your brain, and you're just trying to control the situation, and you're trying to make something happen. All right. What is crossing this is Four of Cups. What is happening? Some of you, the problem is that you're trying to do a lot at once. All right, that is why you are not concentrated 100%. You're doing your best to take control in your own hands, and you're trying to fix everything up. But the problem is that you're trying to do multitasking. So are you doing multitasking these days? Like, you have a lot of things going on, and you're trying to basically balance everything, and then in the process of that, you might not be able to balance things, and then you might just drop the coins. All right, so your message is, don't take more than you can chew. All right, try to do things one at a time. When it comes to career also, I see that you might get many opportunities, or you might just get different roles to play. Do not just say yes to everything just because you want to be the good person. Like, you just do not want anybody to think bad about you, and you want everybody to think that you're so responsible or whatsoever. And then later on, then you will be disappointed, and you'll be like, oh my god, what the hell did I do? Should not have taken so much of work, and then you regret everything. So better than that, focus on one thing at a time. All right, you are not focused on one thing at a time. You're trying to do everything, and that is a blockage for you. All right, when it comes to love, I see that you are trying to take things in your control, and you're trying to make everything work. All right, and I see that you're very go. You're very passionate to make something happen. But on the other side, you are dealing with somebody who's quite a juggler. I see this person is very disconnected. So as much as you are like go, and this person is like, oh my god, I'm all over the place. All right, so your person is basically all over the place, and because of that, it's causing a problem. All right, you're very focused, very determined, and this person is super confused. So you both are poles apart. You are very focused, they are very confused. You want to make things happen, they don't know how to. This person might also be not talking to you. I see there's a communication problem, or I see I'm not able to speak. So maybe your person is not able to communicate clearly, and that's causing a lot of confusion. All right, and for others of you, I see that your person might be like, oh, let's just take it slow. I don't know what I want. Your person do not know what you want, and you just know what you want. You're like, I want this, and your person's like, I'm not sure. All right, and I see that because of all this, your person is having a very pessimistic attitude to things. Like, your person might be someone who's an overthinker, and they kind of screw the things. Balance is your key, Libra. I see that you're trying to balance things. You just want to take everything in control, and you want to fix everything. What are you, Bob the Builder? You just want to fix everything. You want to build everything by your own self. Don't try to do that. All right, don't try to overburden yourself with so many things. All right, relationship is a two-way effort. If you're doing anything, the other person should contribute equally. You cannot play your part and the other person's part. That's not possible. You cannot do that. All right, let other people do their part as well. That's your message. Don't try to just be a doormat because you want to make everybody happy. Don't do that. All right, You want to make a love offer to somebody, you have love for someone. Some of you, it's a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, or the Libra, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. We have Cancer very strongly here. I see that you have a lot of love for someone. You really admire somebody, or you really have emotions connected with the person, and you want to confess. You just want to make things happen with someone. Who is this person that's all over your mind, Libra? Some of you, you are obsessed. You just want to make things happen. You cannot get them out of your mind. There is someone who's just on your mind a lot, and you cannot get them out of your mind, and you want to, give this cup of love to this person. You feel that if I will go and initiate something, this person will realize that how much I love them, and then they will take action, and then they will make up their mind. So you are having those kind of thoughts, all right? I see that either you want to go and approach this person, or you're waiting for them to approach you. You're definitely hoping for a communication, all right? And there is someone on your mind you cannot get rid of. Three of Wands. I see things are going to move forward. So whatever you're planning, you're doing, whatever you're trying to do, whatever you're trying to take control of, I see things are going in a right direction. So you're on the right path. I will not say that you're not on the right path, because you're so determined. Though you're a little scattered, but you will get your shit done, don't worry. You want a communication, or you want to communicate. I don't know what it is. The unconscious influence on the situation is that things are going to move forward in the right direction. So you are on the right track. So till this point, if you felt that, oh my God, I don't know, because a lot of things are happening. Am I doing the right thing? Am I on the right path? Be it career or be it relationship, whatever you're trying to take a control of, and whatever you're trying to fix. And then you were thinking like, I am doing this, but will this be fixed ultimately? The message is yes. If you have done the work correctly, not skipping anything, all right? And if you are just doing whatever you're doing genuinely by being fair, because we have the Libra, the Justice card here. If you're not trying to cheat anybody, if you're not trying to con anybody, if you're trying to be fair, you're trying to balance things, and then you're trying to move forward, I see it's going to go in your favor, all right? There could be a little delay in the situation. Do not lose hope, because ultimately I see that whatever you're waiting for, a message, communication, a good news, a job offer, whatever you were trying to achieve, you were so passionate about it, I see it's coming towards you. It can take some time, but it is coming in, all right? Four of Swords. Yeah, so your message is to wait patiently. The same thing that I was telling you. Have patience. But you don't have patience. This is your energy. Chariot, you want to rush things. You want to control everything. You want to take everything in your hands. Sometimes, when you have to basically hold the sand, you have to let it loose, because if you will just close your wrist very tightly, the sand kind of slips. Your life is like that right now, Libra. Don't try to take control in your hands and try to hold it very tightly. Relationships need to be handled very carefully, very gently. Let loose. This person is not going anywhere. Whoever you want in your life, you are having love for them, you want to approach them, or you want them to approach, they are coming in. Right now, just have patience. Don't try to rush things. Don't try to do everything by yourself. Don't try to overwhelm the situation. Try to take a control. Try to take control back, and try to step back, basically. All right? So let's see, how is this person giving Libra? See, you are being a control freak, and this person views you like a control freak. I see this person has a lot of passion for you, but they also know that you're very controlling, dominating. This person thinks that you are the one who is taking charge of everything, and you're making everything happen. They have passion for you, yes. They want to come towards you, yes. But this person also knows that you are a control freak. So don't try to come out as someone who's a control freak. You're not. You are a giver. You were giving in the past. Be that sweet, gentle person. Yeah. Eight of Swords and the Queen of Cups. You have a lot of love for this person, but then you don't know how to express. And then maybe in the process of expressing, you try to be more controlling. Like sometimes you just lose it. I say your person is also having secret emotions for you, but they don't know how to confess. And they kind of feel very stuck. So you feeling stuck, and they feeling stuck. But the good thing about you is that at least you're taking action. You feeling stuck, but you want to take action, and you're taking action. But this person is just feeling very, very stuck. This person don't know how to approach the situation. They have secret emotions for you. This person is equally stuck on you as much as you are stuck on them. It's a mutual thing. I think you both are just mirroring each other. So how you see them, Knight of Cups. How they see you, Queen of Cups. Feelings, emotions, overwhelming emotions. But the overwhelming emotions are not confessed. I see confession is missing here. That's the only problem. This person's next action towards my Libra, please. Wheel of Fortune. They're waiting for the right time to make a move towards you, and they want to make a move towards you. This person would also might ask you for marriage or commitment or whatsoever, but your person is a little confused right now. They cannot make a decision. You are dealing with someone who has a hard time making decision. How some people, they don't know how to make a decision. You know, that's just there in their DNA. They don't know. They panic when it's the time. Like how some people take very bold actions, and on the other hand, there are people who do a lot of contemplation. They go back and forth, and you are dealing with someone who goes back and forth a lot. So that is the problem. However, I see their next action towards you is that they want to make a move, solid move. But the problem is that they are waiting for the right time. So they are waiting for the right time to make a move towards you. So what is going to be the outcome here between Libra and this person? Death card. Ooh, missed opportunity. Things are going to go silent for some. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Alright, so I see that this will become worse before it becomes better. It's that kind of a situation. I see some of you, I think you're already not talking to this person, but if not, then you will completely stop talking, and then this person is going to come back. So I see a lot of transformation is yet to take place in this connection. But for most of you, I hope that this has already happened. So the death has already happened, and I see that you're moving towards 10 of Cups, reunion, family, marriage. Some of you are already married, and for others of you, I see that you want to get married. Like marriage is a very important part here. And if marriage or commitment was not on your mind, then this is not your reading. All right, because I see whoever I am channeling for, marriage was a big part. Like these people, Libra and this person, wanted to get married. And I see that right now, because Libra is trying to control everything, or the cross watcher is trying to control everything, things are, you know, the more you're trying to control, the more it is delaying. So your advice, let loose, and it's gonna come to you. All right. And we have the death card here. So I see that this will become worse before it becomes better. Yes. I see there will be a period where you will stop talking to each other completely. But then you guys have something more. Like there are deep emotions here. Either the person that you're dealing with is a water sign, or they have major water placements. This person is a very emotional person. So they have a hard time letting go. You know, death card is again, there is a problem in letting go. Somebody is not letting go completely. But I see ultimately this person is going to come back. Give me one more card for the outcome here. See, Ace of Swords, new beginning. Yes. So I see that it's going to end, and then you're going to start on a fresh note. So yeah, I'm giving you a heads up. It's going to become worse before it becomes better. It will. All right. I see you guys will be starting from scratch. Because your connection has seen a lot of ups and downs. It's kind of messed up all over the place. You will have to let loose. Let everything fall, and then you will build again. All right, that's the only way you can get through. Any other advice for Libra, please? Libra, again, I'm repeating, your advice is not to take everything in your hands, let loose. Don't overburden yourself. Temperance, your advice is to balance things. See, again, the same thing. Balance things, all right? Relationships, partnerships are about balance. It needs to be a 50-50 effort. You cannot take everything in your own hand and fix it. You're not the Bob the Builder, all right? And don't try to be one. Try to find the midway. Don't try to go on extremes. If you have love for this person, you have overwhelming love. And then when you don't have love, you're like, fuck off. Don't try to do that. Have a middle ground. Try to find a midway, all right? And I see, first of all, have balance. Have balance in the situation. Balance is such a major part of the reading. All right, let's see for singles though. Single Libras. Sun card. Ooh, I see you will be enriched in love. I see there could be a Leo coming towards you, or I see that somebody is going to come towards you, is going to be full of optimism, happiness. Somebody is going to add a lot of happiness in your life. Judgment. This person could be a past person. I'm sorry. I know, new. I see that single Libras were hoping for a new person, but it's a judgment card. I see someone from the past returning. Something is not ended. You think it has not. Queen of Pentacles. I see your money improving. Your money is going to improve. But I see there's someone from the past who wants commitment. They want to repeat the cycle with you. Somebody wants you back. And they want the same connection that you both had. They want to repeat this with you. I see this person was hell confused in the past, and that is why you left them. But now they're coming with more optimism and happiness. I see that you're also working really, really hard on your money, and I see things are improving for you in money. But when it comes to love, there is someone coming back. Any other advice for Libra? Page of Pentacles. See, message coming in for you. And your money, what's about your money? Libra, your money is drastically improving, like drastically. Queen of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, wow. Some of you, your students, you might just find a job, or I don't know, you might find like a side job kind of thing. Or you might just find different ways of making money. Money is going to improve. Some of you singles, I see that you will be meeting with somebody who might have a child, or you want to have a child. I don't know, something about child. Alright, give me message for Libra collective for week ahead. Give your relationship a chance. This reading was screaming reconciliation. This is a reading of reconciliation. Both for singles and not singles. Your past person wants to repeat the cycle with you. Calling in your soulmate. You were hoping for a message. You were praying. You were trying to do it. It's going to be there. And I see some of you, you will either get married to this person, you're already married, or if you are in relationship, you will want to get married. Something about marriage, as I was telling, you know. Somebody wants commitment, like be all end all kind of thing. And I see you were trying to manifest a communication. It's coming in. Heart-to-heart conversation, yep. Somebody wants to talk. And they want to repeat the cycle with you. That was the reading. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, you guys take care. Stay safe. Bye.